Hey boo, hey, we are Bizak. I think Super Bowl is coming up. Let's make these buffalo hot honey chicken sandwiches. As you can see, I am overly enjoying this. It is sweet, it is spicy, and oh my god, it's so bad. So let's tap in real quick and put this sandwich together. Okay, I bought some organic chicken breasts from Trader Joe's and they were thin sliced, so didn't even have to do anything extra to them. Just cleaned them. Now I am going to season my chicken breast with a variety of seasonings. If you want the full recipe on this here, I advise you heading over to my website www.chefsammy.com and picking up the recipe. Anywho's, we're just gonna make sure that we season this well because chicken can be bland and we want to make sure we got all the flavors up in here. Okay, after we are finished seasoning our chicken breast with all of our special spices, we are going to go ahead and grab some hot sauce. Now, I use crystals for this. If you like Louisiana, you could use whatever brand you like, but put you a nice amount of hot sauce on your chicken breast. And now we're pouring over our buttermilk. Listen, if you don't have any buttermilk, you can use some regular milk and a couple tablespoons of vinegar and let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. Boom, you got your buttermilk. So we are going to mix this well first and then put this in the refrigerator. If you put it in there for a day, super flavor. Put it in there for 2 days, oh my god, bussin'. Of course, you're gonna need some oil. I use a deep fryer to fry your chicken breasts. I made sure to flip them over and just make sure that they are fried nice and crispy on both sides. So I just did my due diligence and flipped them. Now they're all set to go. How do we build our sauce? We're gonna use some butter. Doesn't matter what brand. I use Kerrygold, but whatever you have on hand is perfectly fine. Then we're gonna take some buffalo sauce. I use it's the red and orange bottle. Forget the name of them, but any kind of buffalo sauce is gonna work. You want to boil. You want this to come to a light boil, right? Making sure that the butter and the hot sauce is married in together. You're also going to add about, I would say, a good maybe tablespoon of honey, maybe a little bit more. Let's say two. Again, the recipe is on the website if you need the full, but you definitely want to add as much sweet as you think is preference for your liking. Once this is all combined, you are just going to stir pretty well and then cut this off and just set it to the side until you're ready to dip your chicken breast in your sauce. All right, now we are going to plate this situation. I definitely use some curly fries because who doesn't love a curly fry? I also toasted my bun in a little butter. Then I went ahead and dipped that chicken breast up in that sauce and I mixed it around. I only made one chicken breast for the purpose of this recipe, so that's why I don't have a lot of sauce. You need to make the right amount depending on your family size and who all's eating chicken breast. But anyways, we're just flipping this thing over and over again. This is the ghetto way, but hey, whatever. Now let's get ready and get this going. We're going to place our lettuce down first. After we place our lettuce, once you have that down, then of course we're gonna lay that good old chicken breast down. I added bacon to this sandwich because I love bacon and I think you should try it as well. But hey, this is finished. This right here was like, oh my god, when I say fan favorite, we will definitely be making these for Super Bowl Sunday or for any fun festival day or just as an easy quick meal. This did not take literally no time. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Of course, if you like this, share. See you later.